Fix Windows zooming in and out. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Method 1. Reconnect the mouse. Please unplug your mouse from the computer and then reconnect it. This action may help resolve any problems related to drivers or connections. Method 2. Restart your PC. To potentially resolve any bugs or issues that require automatic repair during startup, consider disconnecting all peripherals from your computer and then restarting it. If that didn't work. Method 3. Run the hardware and devices troubleshooter. If that didn't work. Method 4. Run the keyboard troubleshooter. Method 5. Disable pinch zoom. Method 6. Update the touchpad, mouse, and keyboard drivers. Now restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed.